let's take a look at the way that you enter recurring transactions inside of YNAB. If you have a transaction that is need to be made every month or every week, which is recurring, in this video, let me show you the way that you can create these sort of transactions. To do that, head over to the transactions button on the bottom and then just add in the amount, the payee, and the category that you like to choose. Once you selected all of this information on the top, in order to create or make this transaction recurring, on the bottom you'll see the option called repeat never. So by default, all of the transactions that you make will be saved to repeat never, which is a one-time payment. In order to make these recurring, just tap on this option, and here you'll have the option of selecting different dates. So in order to make this recurring, so for example, if you have a subscription that is need to be paid every month, you can just tap on the monthly option and then tap on save on the bottom right. So by default, this transaction is gonna occur on the same date each and every month. So if you like that, you can easily set it up. If it is not monthly, you can also change it up to weekly or even yearly. So that's the way that you enter recurring transactions in YNAB. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.